Ginawa yun earlier. Are we not already respecting a tradition well kept by this house?
Respect tradition.
Hindi nga, pinagtatanong nyo siya eh. Meron pang pratinela, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So ano yung pinagtatanong nyo sa kanya eh? This question never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, ba't nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon?
We are talking of the office, not the person.
Motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? So kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may bratinela pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pang-labing 7 taong ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Nolly Di Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Walang man lang...
We can read the records. No, he did not introduce
Kaya
it.
nag-motion siya ngayon.
But it's
Parliamentary muna. Parliamentary muna. That is just, the first thing is, that is the manifestation